How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the HP Omen 8 Plus 2022. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 4.3 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. With the laptop facing up, use a PH000 screwdriver to remove all the screws from the bottom cover, a total of 8 screws. It's advised to use a magnetic mat to avoid mixing or losing screws. Prepare a triangular pry tool and a spudger, and insert the triangular pry tool from the top, then run it around the edges and gently pry to open the bottom cover. Once the bottom cover is open, use 2 spudgers to disconnect the power cable. Gently push outward on both sides of the connector to unplug it. After disconnecting the power, remember to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Follow the numbered sequence and unscrew the 10 screws on the thermal module. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Carefully lift both sides of the heatsink with your hands and slowly remove it. Use the spudger to disconnect the fan's power cables one by one. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We used an anti-static brush and compressed air for cleaning. Use the anti-static brush to clean the dust from the fan blades and the thermal module. When using compressed air, maintain a small distance to avoid spraying liquid. Compressed air is great for cleaning fine details and significantly improves dust removal efficiency. After completing the cleaning, don't forget to clean the dust on the backplate. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 high-performance thermal paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Next, assemble the components in reverse order. Gently place the thermal module back and screw the screws in numerical order, tightening them to about 70% first, then fully tighten them after all screws are in place to avoid excessive stress. Finally, use the spudger to plug the power cable back into the motherboard. Close the laptop's bottom cover and snap the clips back into place. Press the power button to turn it on and check for proper operation. Once everything is working fine, screw the 8 screws back into the bottom cover, and you're done. Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster, and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.